So you're tired of hitting those high net shots that get you smacked in the face, and you're ready to learn how to hit the perfect spinning net. Well, today we have 6-time provincial champion Coach Victor to teach you how to do the perfect spinning net shot. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch to the end of the video.
So our first step to learn the spinning net shot is to actually learn how to grip it. So what would you do here? You will have the standard neutral grip, where you kind of have a handshake into the grip like this. And this is the exact same form you would do for a smash, clear, or drop. But instead of a smash or clear or drop where you need to squeeze your fingers and generate a lot of power, the spinning net shot is actually a very soft shot where it requires a lot of touch. So you want to make sure that your fingers and wrist are very relaxed and not holding the racket too tight. So the second step for a spinning net shot is that you want to make sure that your form is correct. So what you want to do first is when you tilt your racket head slightly downwards, you don't want to tilt it too much upwards or too much downwards. You'll have it slightly downwards like this so that the wrist is in a comfortable position. And then what you want to do is you want to bend your elbows a little bit, not too much. You don't want to bend it too much or have it completely straight. You want to just bend it a little bit. And then for the chest, you want to have it chest up for better balance and facing the net like this. And then your left hand should also be up like this for better balance. Some mistakes that the beginners make is that they have their left hand down like this, which might cause them to lose balance when hitting the net shot. So what you want to do is when you have your left hand up like this, and then so you will have better balance. And I emphasize on balance because balance can have you hit a more consistent net shot. So the third step is actually the footwork. So what you want to do is you want to turn your body into the corner direction that you want to hit the bird, like this. And then what you want to do is do a hard split, and then left behind the right leg, and then lunge really big with your right leg, like this. So the key point of this lunge is that you want to make sure to be firm and put a lot of power into your right leg. And you want to make sure that you put your knee high like this, and also make sure that you land with your heel like this. So this is how it goes.
If you want access to a free online badminton academy with personal coaches and custom training plans, then click the link down below.
So the fourth step for a spinning net shot is the basic hit. So what you want to do is you have the contact point to be just slightly below the net like this. You don't want it to be too high or too low like this because it will be hard to control the net shot. So you want to just perfectly slightly below the net like this. And then secondly, when you're hitting the net shot, what you want to do is you want to make sure that only your finger, your wrist, and your forearm is moving, and your elbow and your arms are staying still like this. So what you want to do is just want to press your fingers, your wrist, and forearm in the same motion and make a semicircle motion like this. And then once you combine the hit with the lunge, you want to make sure that you're hitting the bird as you land with your right leg. So this is how it goes. So the fifth step for the spinning net shot is to actually learn how to spin. So what you want to do, you want to really feel the spin with your finger and your wrist. So what you want to do is you want to kind of make a semicircular motion with your racket, and then you kind of want to scoop and then wait until the bird is starting to head down, straight down vertically. Then you want to hit the bird, and then you can feel the bird kind of just bouncing on your racket softly like this. So there you go. These are the 5 steps to hit a perfect spinning net shot. If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time.